Hey y'all, welcome back to Chaz's Lifestyle, another episode of Cooking with Chaz. Today we will be making some really good, juicy jerk chicken Rasta pasta. Stay tuned. So first we're going to start boiling our pasta. I season my pasta water, but if you have chicken broth, go ahead and do that. So that's why you see that on the side of the pot. So this is so simple and easy, y'all. We're just gonna put 2 chicken breasts. I flatten them out. I'm gonna put that in a Ziploc bag, add some jerk seasoning. You can use mild, hot, whatever you like. You can also make your own jerk seasoning. I have an old recipe on that. I will make a new one soon. So in a preheated cast iron, that's the key. We're gonna go ahead and saute our chicken breast. I marinated my chicken breast for about an hour. Now, if you're on a quick schedule, you can marinate it for 20 minutes to 30 minutes. It doesn't have to be long. We're just gonna sear these. You just wanna get a nice pretty color and sear on it. So we're gonna sear that for 5 minutes and then check it and flip it. My oven is preheated on 400. So we will have this in the oven covered once we get that pretty color and texture on the chicken breast. So I added oil to this pan just to preheat the oil. I'm sauteing some green bell pepper and some red bell pepper. I will have all my ingredients listed down below in the description box. And we're going to saute these until they're slightly softened, not too much because they will go in a cream sauce. So you want to add some color on those peppers. Oh, look at that color on that chicken. I'm just chopping up some parsley for a garnish. And then I'm adding a little bit of minced garlic to my peppers. After 30 seconds, I added my jerk seasoning. I'm going to let that cook in a little bit. You want to release all those jerk seasoning flavors. Next, I'm adding in some heavy cream. I lowered my temperature to a medium heat so my sauce doesn't burn. I mix everything in together. Let that warm up. That's one of the keys to your pasta sauce. You want it to warm up. Now we're just going to season it with some basic seasonings to spice it up. Some Old Bay garlic powder, onion powder, sazon, parsley, and chili powder, and a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. We're going to mix that in. Like I said, everything will be listed down below, so make sure you screenshot it. Okay, so now I'm just mixing in some mozzarella cheese. I don't use the pre-shredded cheese just because it has a chemical in it that it doesn't help break down the cheese and it won't melt correctly. So I shred my own cheese, and look at that. I turned my heat down low. You can turn it off, that way your sauce can thicken, okay? So that was the chicken I had just pulled out the oven. Is beautiful. I had it in an oven of 400 for about 15 minutes, and then I checked to make sure it's fully cooked. I put my cooked pasta in my sauce, mix it up, let it thicken up, and look, you put everything all together. It's so simple and quick, y'all. So if you really like this video and like the turnout, give me a like, and make sure you subscribe, be a part of the family. Don't forget to tag me on Chaz's Cuisines on the Instagram story if you decide to make this recipe. See y'all later.